Hello, friends. Today, I want to talk about a beautiful practice, one that can uplift your mind, improve your finances, strengthen your community, and nurture your spirit. That practice is keeping a kitchen garden at home. In this fast paced world, it is so easy to overlook the small things that bring peace and tranquility. But I truly believe that tending to a garden, whether it's just a few pots of herbs or rows of vegetables, can have a profound impact on our lives. So that we continue journeying together in subsequent videos, please do share, like, and subscribe to our videos. Thank you. 6 benefits of keeping a kitchen garden at home. 1. Let's start by exploring how a kitchen garden benefits our mental health. Without health in general, nothing else matters. Health, in fact, is a path to joy and peace. Life today can be hectic, filled with screens and stresses. Gardening gives you a chance to slow down. When you work with soil, plant seeds, and watch them grow, it is a therapy. It pulls you into the present moment, offering a break from worrying about the past or the future. Studies have shown that gardening reduces cholesterol, the stress hormone, and increases dopamine, bringing a sense of happiness and some accomplishment. It helps to develop patience as you learn that growth takes time and not everything happens instantly. Even a small activity like watering plants can give you a sense of purpose. At the end of the day, knowing that your efforts will result in something tangible, food for your family, for instance, gives your mind a feeling of deep satisfaction. The second benefit is the economic advantages. Every leaf you see on your plant is actually money. Money, in fact, grows in plants. Gardening is not just good for your mind, it is also good for your wallet. Think about how much money we spend on vegetables and herbs from the store. Now imagine if you could replace even a small portion of that with a homegrown food. A packet of lettuce costs almost nothing, but it can give you a fresh salad, green, every month. And it is not just all about cutting down grocery costs. When you grow your own food, you know exactly what goes into it. No pesticides or chemicals, just pure organic vegetables. That's healthier for you and cheaper than buying organic products from the store. And over time, a well-maintained garden can yield more than you think. Herbs like basil or rosemary can be dried and stored. Excess tomatoes can be canned, and leafy greens like lettuce or spinach can be preserved continuously. You will quickly find that a kitchen garden offers great economic freedom by reducing your dependency on expensive groceries. The number 3 benefit is community building. Home gardening has the ability of connecting you with your children, with your neighbors, and with your spouse. One of the greatest joys of gardening is that it brings people together. Sharing homegrown products with your neighbors fosters a kind of a sense of connection. Your neighbor will appreciate one tomato you give him or her from your own garden than a bunch of fresh groceries. You might find that neighbors are beginning to come closer to you, joining you in gardening and sharing stories as you garden. Gardening can become a shared hobby, building relationships and strengthening your community. Gardening is also a very wonderful way to engage children. Involving kids in gardening teaches them valuable lessons about nature, about patience, and about responsibility. There's something magical about watching a child pull a carrot from the soil for the first time, or harvesting a head of lettuce they planted weeks ago. It teaches them where their food comes from and helps them to develop healthier eating habits. They grow up valuing nature and respecting the food on their plate. Number four benefits of having a home garden is the spiritual benefits. Cultivating gratitude and mindfulness. Gardening is not just about growing plants or savings, it's about growing yourself. There's something deeply spiritual about being part of the natural world, witnessing life sprout from a tiny seed. As you nurture your plants, you become more mindful of the interconnectedness of life. Gardening teaches us humility. It teaches us that despite our technology, we still depend on the earth for our sustainability. So, working on the soil helps you to feel grounded. Many people find that gardening connects them to the sense of higher purpose, whether God's purpose, the universe, or simply the rhythm of life. So, watching plants respond to sunlight, rain, care, and a sense of gratitude fosters also some sense of gratitude within you too. And harvesting vegetables that you nurtured from seed gives you a profound sense of fulfillment, as though you are in harmony with the whole world in you. The number five benefit of keeping a home garden is a home garden can improve your life. Now let's use lettuce as an example. This humble leafy green can be a life changer. For one, it is incredibly easy to grow. It does not require much space or some special care. Therefore, it makes it very perfect for beginners. You can grow it in pots, on your balcony, in a small raised bed, or even indoors by a sunny window. It's a cut and come again crop. A cut and come again crop is a crop that once you harvest, it keeps on growing. Once you harvest the leaves of lettuce, it will keep growing back. Imagine having fresh, chemical-free salad greens at your fingertips right from your garden. No more last-minute trips to the store for a healthy meal. No. When you grow your own lettuce, you are more likely to eat fresh vegetables regularly, improving your overall diet and well-being. The number six reason for keeping vegetable garden at home is the fulfillment of harvesting your own food. There is something incredibly rewarding about harvesting your own vegetables. It's just not about food, it's about the process. From planting the seeds to tending the garden through rain and sunshine, every stage of growth reminds us of the beauty of life cycle. And when you finally pick that ripe tomato, harvest that fresh lettuce, it feels like a celebration. Harvesting food that you have grown yourself gives you a sense of pride. It is a reminder that your hard work, your patience, and your care matter. And that feeling, the sense that you have provided for yourself and your family, is priceless. As we come to the end of this clip, I will invite you to like, share, and subscribe for more experiences. I want to leave you with this thought. A garden is not just a collection of plants. It is a space where life unfolds. It is a place where your mind, body, and spirit come together in harmony. It is an opportunity to connect with others, to teach future generations the value of nature and food. So whether you have a small balcony or just a small space within the compound, I encourage you to start a small kitchen garden. Begin with something simple, maybe some herbs or a roll of lettuce. You will be amused how a small seed can grow into something much greater, nourishing not just your body, but your soul. please subscribe. Thank you and happy gardening.